Hey, my name's Liz and I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today I have a ThredUp box. This is the 5-piece purse box. I do not remember what I paid for it. It has been sitting here for a few days. I just cut the tape. I haven't looked inside yet, so we'll see. Maybe it has some kind of receipt for us, but it's just the usual piece of tissue paper with some stuff. This isn't, I don't think, a name brand one. It's just the purses. I want to say it was maybe like 50. I usually just use credit for my ThredUp boxes from sending stuff into them. The first one is this crossbody that I'm not seeing any brand on yet. Okay, it just says made in China, 100% polyester. It's cute, it's in good shape, like I don't see any flaws or anything with it, but with it having no brand at all, that kind of makes it hard to sell. I don't think it's like, I don't really have someone to gift this to or anything. My Play-Dohs usually takes bags from me, but this is kind of a little bit of a more mature, oh, interesting. It like has a secret pocket. That's cool. Maybe I'll take it to Play-Dohs and see if they're interested. I don't have like a Style Encore type of place around me, so I don't have that option. I just have Play-Dohs and Once Upon a Child. Okay, this is the next one. So it has a shoulder strap and a longer strap. And the brand is Medici. Again, seems to be in pretty good shape. Not much wear on the corners or anything. Never heard of this brand before. It's all branded inside. Kind of gives me like vibes of the bags they sell at like TJ Maxx or that kind of stuff. I'm looking to see if it says if it's leather or not. I'm not seeing a material tag. Inside is nice and clean at least. But in my opinion, it's kind of a dated style. Yeah, I don't see if it's real leather, so my guess is it's probably not great. I don't think Play-Dohs will take this, so I might have to sell this one. I'll look it up. Maybe I'm wrong and it's worth something, but it doesn't really look like it to me. Okay, well, this is at least a brand I know. This is Fossil. It's a brown leather shoulder bag. The bottom has some markings. I can't tell if it's like if I take something to clean it, if it'll come up, or if that's like the leather got pulled from it. This should be real leather normally. The inside's clean, so the only issues really is minor like corner fading and that issue on the bottom. So at least this one's sellable. Hopefully I can clean that up a little bit, and then I'll take some of the Doc Marten leather balsam to the corners for sure. Alright, this is another kind of bigger bag. Not initially see. Okay, the brand is Sazaby. Not one I've heard of before. It's like a red leather. Let's see if it's real leather. The tag is only in Chinese, so probably not real leather. Again, I don't think Play-Dohs will take this one from me. It seems to be in pretty good shape. Some kind of like wrinkling there, but not bad. The handles seem okay, and it's clean inside, so maybe I can get something for it. Don't know this brand at all either. And then here's the last one. Well, besides the first tote, they were all kind of big bags. Oh, okay, this one's Fry. So that's cool. I've never sold a bag from Fry, just shoes before. It's obviously real leather. The inside seems pretty clean. The outside kind of has like a faded look to it, but that's kind of Fry. I'm not seeing any, oh, actually, okay. No, maybe it's, no, that's how it's supposed to be. Okay. It's like separating here, but it's on every piece, so it must be supposed to be like that. Okay, I'm happy with this one. Besides, it could use like a leather conditioning. I think this one should do okay. I really don't know what their bags comp for because I've never sold it before, but I'm hoping that it could potentially pay for the whole box because or at least between these two, hopefully we can pay for the whole box. Because those other three are kind of a loss, at least I think. So yeah, I believe this was $50 because I think I remember it being like $10 a bag. I don't have a receipt thing in there. So yeah, if the first three were the only things in there, I'd say I probably just threw $50 down the drain. But with these two, I think I should be able to make something back. I'll let you know how we do here, but I'm excited to have Fry. And yeah, thanks for watching. I don't think I've ever bought this box before. I did one like 10 purse box a long time ago, like at the very beginning of COVID. So they were kind of different back then. Like I got some Kate Spade in there, and I think I got a Dooney and Burke and stuff. So yeah, this isn't one I typically pick up, but I was feeling in the mood for a mystery box. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.